Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll guide you through the first 10 things to do after setting up your new phone. First, you may have some apps that were pre-installed by default, so if you know you won't be using them, just uninstall them so they won't be using up storage. So just press on them and press uninstall. Second is setting up Face Unlock. So go into settings, biometrics and password, and let's set up our lock screen for the first thing. Then add a fingerprint, and this will ensure you the whole fingerprint is scanned. So just follow the guidance of your phone. And the fingerprint is set up. Now the next thing you can do is setting up your default apps. So let's go into default apps. You can set up your browser, home app, SMS app, wallet app, whatever you want. Next thing, we'll go into display and brightness and change our refresh rate. You can either have it on dynamic or high standard depending on your preferences. Just remember that the high setting will use up more power. But if you want 120 Hz, either go with dynamic or high. Next thing you want to do is go into battery and optimize it if you can. So optimize it for better battery lifespan and reducing background app usage. For the next step, sync up your Google account settings. So let's go into users and accounts, press on Google if you haven't signed in already, and just sync those up like so. Next thing you want to set up is NFC payment. So go into here, press and hold, and set up your Google Wallet if you haven't already. Now, go back into settings and set up your eye care. Like this. Eye comfort, either enable all day. You can adjust it to how much you want the warm setting to be. Or you can press it on schedule, set it up starting at 10 p.m. and ending at 7 a.m. the next day. And lastly, set up your home screen. Customize it to how much you want to. You have to agree to terms, adjusting how much you want to. Done. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.